The beauty of nature. Let nature take us by the hand from mountaintops to sea and sand. We'll explore, there's much to see. You'll be in awe, I guarantee. Beauty abounds, it's everywhere. Nothing else can quite compare. Mother Earth and nature rule by giving us this world, this jewel. Nature from the start cared for us all, from creatures great to oh so small. Tiny microbes in primordial goo, and giant whales in ocean's blue. Mountain peaks up in the sky and vast deserts so hot and dry. Giant sequoias in forests thick, and icy lakes so very slick. From a park called Zion to one called Bryce to Glacier National with its mountains and ice. And one of the grandest of all has the identity, known far and wide as Park Yosemite. Rushing streams and canyons deep, and rocky hillsides oh so steep. Just look at those waves, their crests I spy, and water crashing up ever so high. Rocks encased in the ocean's wrath, hoping currents take a different path. Amazon forests and swampy glades, nature sings to us. She serenades. Rivers headed towards a waterfall, the sight of which will all enthrall. Western deserts and canyonland, and chasms deep and very grand. Soaring birds on a gentle breeze, and hives of honey made by bees. Baby fawn next to mama deer, running into woods then disappear. Oceans brimming with fish galore from depths so deep to shallow shore. Monkeys swinging from vine to vine, it's all part of a grand design. Nature has blessed us with her work, our duty to keep her. We must not shirk.